Aloha everyone and welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube Paracord community. Today we're going to create this awesome Paracord bracelet using the gold Paracord 550 and navy blue. I hope that you're all safe and sound and that you're ready for today's project. The designer of this project is unknown to myself, so if anyone knows who created this awesome bracelet, please let me know in the comments down below and I can then give the credit for the designer. So for today's project we're gonna create the 4-strand Paracord bracelet core or a base. The full tutorial you have in the top right corner of this video as always, and if you want to learn how to create this awesome Paracord bracelet, the Optimus Prime, also the full tutorial you have in the top right corner in the cards of this video. So click on that icon of information or E or something like it and you'll get the tutorials you need. Now we're gonna take the feed or a paracord needle and we're gonna insert the navy blue cord into the bracelet base or a bracelet core. So from here we're gonna insert the cord on the top like so, and now again into the cow's hitches here on the left side. Then we're gonna release the needle or feed, put aside, and we're gonna take the ends of navy blue so we can pull it and we will even the cords. So as you can see I have the same size on the both ends or same length on the both ends. Now we're gonna start creating this awesome Paracord bracelet. Enjoy! And on the end, if you like this tutorial, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing, hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post the new content. If you can help us contribute to this channel by the Patreon. Through the Patreon, you can become the patron of this channel and you'll gain access to the Patreon only exclusive content. That being said, let's start. We're gonna take the left cord and we're gonna insert it into the middle between those two cords in the center, and we'll do the same with the right strand cord. Now we're gonna take the gold cord and we're gonna insert it from the right side into the middle like so, and to the back, and same on the left, in the middle, to the back. As you can see, this is very simple, very easy, fast, yet very elegant and a nice looking bracelet. So from here we're gonna take this end and we're gonna make it from the back into the loop on the right from the top side like so, as you can see. So we make the loop around the bracelet core, so in the center and around it. Now we're gonna do the same on the left side, from the top into the loop and through. Now we're gonna pull the cords. Now we're gonna continue, left one in the center, like so, right one also in the center, and then the gold into the center, to the back, around, and from the top side into the loop, like so, and on the other side, around, and from the back into the loop. Like this. So here we reach the end of today's project. Now we're gonna do the final knots, and then we're gonna cut off the excess of a cord, melt it down and finish it up. And here we're gonna insert it . So here we are, the bracelet is finished. It's a very neat and good looking bracelet, fast and easy to make, as you saw actually. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing, and on the end hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post the new content. Until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best. Dale signing out. See ya. Bye.